twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the peril of...
They fly together, taking their speed and distance. Contact has been... This is a perfectly good parachute and can be landed. However, the jumper will reach up and release one side, causing the canopy to malfunction. This jumper is now accelerating earthward at speeds in excess of 90 miles per hour. It would be impossible for this jumper to survive a landing under this canopy. So he must release it completely, return to free fall, and open his main parachute.
Jeez. Biggest air show in all of North America. Now, Wayne Rachel is out there. We're going for 350. If we can get it today, we might be able to. If he could go, smoke is on, he's off. There's 60, 100, 110, 125, 175, 225, 250, 275. Oh yeah, 330.
Modify the helicopter a little bit, and so that's what we got.
So you've modified the helicopter. Can you tell us what you did, or is it a secret?
Oh man, that's my grandpa's secret. I can't put that one out.
Jesus.
All right, buddy. Keep flying. I'm going to tell a little more about you. In the air show business, won the coveted Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship Award because of his incredible talent in this very vehicle that you see right now. Chuck Aaron comes from California. His call sign is Malibu. He showed up at our briefing yesterday in a flight suit and flip-flops. Gotta love that kind of stuff. Chuck comes from an Air Force family, and your dad was a real inspiration to you, wasn't he, Chuck?
Yes, sir, he was, Rob. He was my guide in my life, and being an Air Force.
Direct your attention to the far right. Not quite a helicopter, yet not quite an airplane. Often it climbs to the sky at only a few hundred meters. Ladies and gentlemen, our KC-130J Hercules. Witness the jack of all trades for the Marine Corps. The Boeing FA-18 Hornet is an all-weather, carrier-capable, multi-role fighter jet designed to attack both ground and aerial targets. Ladies and gentlemen, now listen to the sound of freedom! Air-to-air and air-to-ground radar. Air support. One of the core competencies of your TAF. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the sound of freedom. Operations in Afghanistan utilize the sound alone of their... Wait a minute! Wait now! DJ! This crowd needs something more to pump them up! See our newest assault aircraft, the MV-22 Osprey. One of the most significant capabilities of our Corps is the projection of combat power. Your great have achieved their objective. We will witness our Marines extracted from the LZ. Impractical. Examples of this include insertion into urban combat environments, ships at sea, and mountainous terrain. Slide rigging is used as we extract the Marines, which you are now seeing before you. Examples of extraction are storage from the open ocean, small clearing from the jungle, and once again, the mountains. Target is, then we will mark it with a white phosphorus. On this aircraft will be deployed once again. This is This gunship will fire 650 rounds per minute in bursts of 30 to 50 rounds. Ladies and gentlemen, our Super Cobra!
25 meters, 5 squared to the east. Huey 02 east, 25 meters on visual 2.
Control while our Marines prepare to assault the objective from on the deck. These MU-22 Ospreys will demonstrate vertical assault of a Marine Corps aviation team. Ladies and gentlemen, here come the Marines! Assault support provides our commander the ability to concentrate his strength against select. Like these have been utilized in a multiplicity of combat situations spanning the globe. Watch for it. They will drop supplies, ammunition, and weaponry in your eyes will demonstrate a running rendezvous so that they all can join together. As they pass from left to right, you'll watch them all join simultaneously. Hold deposit, cluster munitions. That is a 120 millimeter M1A1 cannon. The vehicles you see coming from your right will provide the ground combat element with its armored fist. This armored triple. And now, with enemies still the objective, F-18s will provide overwatch. They will simply utilize the sound of in Iraq and Afghanistan. Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, combat element.
So sick.
The skies in front of you are Super Stallions, UH-1s, and Super Cobras. Our UH-1s are piloted by Captain Berkeley and Kaplan Norgan. Our AH-1 Super Cobras by Cap Vietnam Air Colors. Honoring many of our veterans, the most you in the crowd who are valiant. The 3 Hornets above demonstrate their basic fighter mode. Break-a-lot aircraft prior to landing to ensure that during the most vulnerable phase of flight, they will know.
Air high five! Air high five! The Harrier is following our Hornet landing.
My head in the clouds, yeah. I can feel it rising. Bound to the earth, but we could have said, yeah. I'm realizing I feel both feelings.
Watch now as the solo pilots pull out of the formation to set up for the first of their solo maneuvers. Hour, let's watch. They call it the 5-6. Hit it! The smoke shows everyone that this unique tail slide that only your Patriots can do. On the right side of the show line, he will go past 0 airspeed and back it up at almost 57 miles per hour in reverse. I said reverse. The only thing falling faster than that are the prices of deals you'll find right now at Pride. Incredibly challenging maneuver from the Patriots.
Ecstasy, when you hold me, I'm like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one right away. Oh, right away.
One's up and 4's up. Gravity, and is counting on his G-suit to keep the blood from pooling into his lower extremities so he can maintain his vision. Without a G-suit, it'd be almost impossible to maintain control and consciousness throughout this high G demonstration.
Shining bright like a diamond, beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
If you go back in the static display area, you'll see an F-18 parked on some AM2 matting. And it's pretty neat because the Marines can go out with AM2 matting and pretty much build an airfield wherever we need it. And we can put 6 F-35s in there and operate out of it for however long we need to.
Now, the demonstration we're seeing here today is one of the first. Whoa! Now, that was Afterburner going there.
Lightning 2. Slow it down to how fast right now?
He'll be doing about 100 knots for his landing.
That's 115 miles per hour. Pass.
Okay, now he was close. Tried to domesticate you, but you're an animal. Baby, it's in your nature. Just let me liberate.